Meaning of inside track.
Inside track.
Inside track.
Inside track.
Inside track. Inside track is a phrase that refers to having an advantage over others in a competition or situation. It suggests that someone has access to exclusive information, knowledge, or resources that give them a head start or make them more likely to succeed. People with the inside track are often well-connected and influential, which allows them to stay ahead of the curve. This phrase is commonly used in business, politics, and sports. Being on the inside track can be beneficial, but it can also lead to accusations of unfairness or favoritism.